Okay, I got cut off on the last video, so we need to finish this last example. So I think we were talking that we were going to take the log of each side. So when I take the log of each side, I have to get my pen here. We're going to write the log in front of 2 to the y. Now if you notice there is no base there. And we're going to take the log of the other side and we're going to write 5 to the y plus 2. Since there is no base, it means it is base 10, and you can write it or you don't have to write it, which means we can ultimately use your calculator here in a little bit. So the first thing we're going to do is, if you notice, we have powers in front of each of the logs. So we're going to bring the power down in front, so you get y log 2 equals, and I'm going to put parentheses around this power because it's a binomial, log 5. Now, log 5 and log 2 are just decimals in the calculator. So what we're going to do, we're not going to change them to decimals. We're actually going to divide by log 5 and divide by log 5. And then we're going to take our calculator and do log 2 divided by log 5 in your calculator. And we're going to round it to 4 decimals. So I get 0.4307, but there's a y there. And that equals y plus 2. We have to get our y's on the same side, so I'm going to subtract 1 from my answer on my calculator. I get negative 0.5693, and there's still a y there, equals 2. Now, if I take that and I divide by that decimal, I get 2 divided by negative 0.5693. My final answer is y is negative 3.5131. And that is the answer for the last one. So if you listen to all 3 videos, 1 through 8 would be the video from last week. Then I did the next part of the equations, and then this third video has the last example on it. I think you should be well on your way to do the worksheet and submit the worksheet Thursday or Friday. I think the submission part, the Dropbox, is on Thursday. We will discuss any questions you have and probably do several examples on this week soon. Have a great day.